It is gorgeous out there. Take advantage of the autumn-like feel out there. If you have found yourself on Hair Talk, that's the side of TikTok that talks about hair, you've probably seen all sorts of hacks and tricks to stop hair loss, trigger regrowth, but how accurate are these claims, I wonder?
We're going to get into it today. The doctor is in. Dr. Howard Sobel has been a clinical attending at Lenox Hill Hospital for more than 20 years, and he is here to help us with all things hair loss. Okay, good morning to you, doctor. Welcome to New York Living. Let's talk about this because 50% of men, 40% of women will experience some degree of hair loss. Now, the three of us have nice heads of hair, okay, but what's going on and what is causing it? And there's something you can do to prevent it maybe from a younger age.
That's funny. People think of hair loss just in men, but as you just mentioned, almost the same amount of women lose their hair as well. 80 million people past the say age of 30 have experienced some hair loss to different degrees. What causes hair loss? You probably always thought it was hereditary, which it is. In male, it's called male pattern baldness, and it's caused by the male hormone testosterone. In female, it's also some of the same causes, but in females, it's childbirth, it's decreasing birth control pills, it could be a thyroid condition, it could be anemia, but in men or females, it could be stress as well that causes hair loss. But the treatments now have changed.
The treatments have changed, and there are a lot of people who claim to be the experts on social media with the treatments. Can you set the record straight with some of these mythological things that we see? For example, talk to us about oils on the scalp, rosemary oil, castor oil. What is that doing? Is that doing anything?
It's doing something, okay? When I say it's more of a physical thing, meaning when you put these oils on the scalp and you comb your hair, it detangles your hair, okay? And by detangling hair, you don't get breakage. So you're not getting growth, but you're not getting breakage. And also, people put in these braids, these tight braids, and you get traction out of the piece, and that causes hair loss as well. Or rubber bands, tight rubber bands. You don't want to do those things as well. Or dye your hair often, okay? Slow it down a little, okay?
Stop dyeing your hair.
Look at you.
You're great. You leave my highlights alone, Dan Marinano.
He's done great, by the way.
This one has a great head of hair.
Used to bleach.
What about massaging the scalp?
Yeah, well, massaging the scalp, that's interesting because a lot of, again, this goes away from what we think of male pattern baldness as caused from the hormone testosterone. Massage, how does minoxidil work? And we're going to talk about that. Minoxidil was discovered accidentally, right? And it was for blood pressure. And all of a sudden they were noticing people were getting hair growth. Okay, so the way that works is actually increases angiogenesis, which is increases blood flow to the scalp, which creates a better environment for the hair to grow and makes the hair stay in the anagen, which is a growing stage, as opposed to the telogen stage where it's falling out. So massage does the same thing. It increases.
In a different level.
Increases.
In the 10 seconds we have left.
That's it? We didn't talk about, the main thing.
Is there anything we can do to prevent hair loss?
Yeah, some of the things we just discussed, but you're not pulling it, but you know, being born to two different parents. Okay? But people don't realize you inherit your hair loss from your mother and your father, not just the mother or the father. But we have now, I have to mention, we have something called ultrasound, and it's an ultrasound machine that drives in growth factors. And that's the newest wave now. Exosomes that have growth factors that stimulate hair growth. And that's the wave of the future right now.
We're going to have to bring you back on so we can maybe do a demo, except not with you. You've got a lot of hair.
But that's the exciting part now. We've gotten away from just treating a male pattern baldness that way. We're treating it multifactorial with vitamins as well.
Very good.
Beautiful. Dr. Sobel, thank you so much.
Thank you.